It's day 2 of Prime Minister Modi's visit in Varanasi. After a packed day 1, the Prime Minister was seen making several late-night pit stops also in Varanasi yesterday. He waved to the people on the streets late last night, accompanied by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Prime Minister Modi at about 1 a.m. also visited a railway station to inspect development work. Today, on day 2 of his visit, Prime Minister Modi is holding a seminar with 12 chief ministers and 9 deputy CMs of BJP-ruled states. This is happening in Varanasi. The topic of discussion is good governance. The Prime Minister is expected to pass on advice on development, on the fight against COVID and also on the vaccination drive to these chief ministers. And this meeting, we understand, could go on till for about 4 hours. During the meeting, the chief ministers will also give state-wise presentations. A visit to Swarved Mahamandir Dham is also on the Prime Minister's itinerary. The Swarved Mahamandir is known as the Temple of Spirituality. It has the world's largest meditation center. He will be there to attend the 90th anniversary celebration of Sadhguru Sadaful Deo.
माननीय मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में लगातार चाहे धार्मिक स्थल हो, चाहे देश का विकास हो, चाहे देश की आर्थिक व्यवस्था हो या देश की सीमाओं की सुरक्षा की बात हो, हर क्षेत्र में भारत आगे बढ़ रहा है और मोदी जी के क्षेत्र में, मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में पूरी दुनिया के अंदर भारत का मान सम्मान और स्वाभिमान हर क्षेत्र में बढ़ रहा है।
पूरी कॉरिडोर जो उन्होंने बनाया ये तो अद्भुत है और बहुत सारे लोगों की आस्था जो है वो आस्था कायम करने का ये जो काम है, पूरा भारतवर्ष बहुत साल तक मोदी जी को याद करेंगे।
Let's take this across to Samarth Srivastava. He's joining us live this morning from Varanasi. He's reporting from the Banaras railway station. Samarth, where you're standing, the Prime Minister paid a surprise inspection visit at about 1 a.m. this morning.
Well, exactly. Kashi Dham actually has infused new life into Banaras, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has showed that he is just not limited to temples or the divinity of Varanasi. He also thinks about the development of Varanasi. From where I am reporting from is the Banaras railway station, where Prime Minister visited around 1:13 a.m. yesterday, and right behind me, as you see, I'm showing you the visuals out here. This is the Banaras railway station. This is the place from where Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with UP CM Yogi Adityanath entered inside the railway station and inspected the entire railway station, visited the premises of railway station and covered all the factors involved with the railway station. So Prime Minister is not just limited to railway station. He, after completing a meeting at the Ghat with the CMs of BJP, he after 12:30 a.m. he went to the Kashi Vishwanath Dham for the inspection of the Dham, and then he went on to move to the streets of Varanasi. He picked the time of late night so that public should not suffer. He thinks about the public of Kashi, as obviously Kashi suffers with the traffic jams all around the day. So he thought that if he goes out to the roads in the daytime, there must be a hassle for the people of Kashi. So he picked the time after 12 a.m. At that time, roads usually remain vacant, and that's what happened. And then he shared on his official Twitter handle the pictures with the CMs. Then he went onto the streets and visited Kashi Vishwanath Dham, and at the end he visited this Banaras railway station from where I'm reporting from, and after that he visited to the guest house. And this is the reason why it is not just about the divinity of Kashi, it is also about the development. See, if you see the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, it is not just about the Shiv temple, it is not just about the Vishwanath Dham, it is also about the benefit of the devotees who used to rush to the Vishwanath temple and stuck in the narrow lanes of Varanasi, but now things have changed. They will have a proper route towards the temple. So this is what happening for the benefit of Kashi, and what we spoke to the people of Kashi, they were way too happy with the decision. Yes.
It is his constituency, which is why he is also conducting inspection work of the current facilities available in Varanasi. Samarth, thank you for all of those details.